Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce for business. Begin by crafting a signature flavor profile that stands out. Experiment with different spices, sweeteners, and acids to achieve the perfect balance. Once your recipe is solid, focus on sourcing consistent, high-quality ingredients. This ensures your product maintains its excellent taste every time. Moving from a home kitchen to commercial production requires careful planning. You'll need to either set up a licensed commercial kitchen or partner with a co-packer. Whichever path you choose, strict quality control is paramount. Regularly test your sauce for consistency, pH levels, and taste. Adhering to food safety standards like HACCP is crucial for consumer trust and legal compliance. Your barbecue sauce needs to look as good as it tastes. Invest in packaging that is both appealing and practical, considering factors like bottle shape, label design, and seal integrity. Develop a strong brand story that resonates with your target audience. This includes a memorable logo and consistent messaging. Finally, set a competitive yet profitable price point, factoring in all production and marketing costs. Getting your delicious barbecue sauce into customers' hands is the next step. Craft a marketing strategy that highlights your unique selling points. Consider online sales through your website or e-commerce platforms, as well as local farmers markets and specialty food stores. Building strong relationships with distributors and local retailers can significantly expand your reach and grow your business.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.